Hello users. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a CTWA campaign. Begin by navigating to the campaign page and clicking on the Create Campaign button. Next, type in the name of the ad set. Choose the location and select the gender. If you wish, you can also specify the age. For audience targeting, you have the option to use either the Facebook audiences or the Kartapult audiences. These are pre-built groups tailored to your specific niches. You can directly use them in your campaigns to engage with the most relevant audiences for your niche. Once you've selected the audience, enter your budget. You can also view the best practices for CTWA ads budget and scheduling. Please note, the budget must be in multiples of 2000 and your ad should run for minimum 7 days duration. This allows Facebook's algorithm to learn and optimize your ads for better delivery and reach. You also have the option to schedule your campaign. If you wish to run it on a specific date, you can schedule it here and select the date and time. Enter the end date as well. Once you're finished with the details, click on the Next button. Here, you can either add a new product or creative, or you can use a pre-uploaded product. If you choose a pre-made product, choose the product and click on Next button. Now our AI is currently analyzing your product and generating an ad creative and preview. If you wish, you can change the language of the ad preview among these options. You also have the option to customize the layout of the ad preview by selecting any of the available options. If you want to change the color of the preview, you can do so. Once you have selected the color, the creative will change and your ad preview will be displayed. Now, go to the captions. These are the headlines generated by the AI for your product. You can edit the details if you wish. The primary text is generated along with the suggestions. You can choose any of the above and the same will be changed over here. When you're satisfied with the details, click on the Save button. This will be your ad preview. Click on the Launch button to upload your image to Facebook. On the payment method page, click on the Pay button. Once you've completed the details, your payment will be processed and your ads will be published. Thank you for watching this guide on how to create a CTWA campaign.